Hey folks, how's it going? It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, almost 2 years. I decided to come back, do a little video for brothers keepers. Wanted to see our prettiest handgun, and this is mine. It's a Smith & Wesson Model 66-2. I bought this gun about 30 years ago when I was going to law enforcement at the sheriff's office. It served as my service pistol for 8 years and did a good job. When I first bought the gun, it had a very heavy trigger pull. I had put several hundred rounds through the gun and found a Smith & Wesson armor who performed a polish on the inner workings of the gun to there we go, to not really lighten up the smooth up the action on the trigger, and it improved my qualification by almost 30 points. I really like this gun. You've seen it in previous videos showing this gun. It had the Pacmire grips on there. I took those off to put these pretty rosewood grips on there to make it look a little prettier. Anywho, this is it. Hope y'all enjoy it. Roger that, 5x5. I'm out of here. See ya.